Hello people, how's it going? My name is Bob. Oh, that's a lot of thumbs up. Okay, attack. Level up. Later. Ship. Another ship. Okay, gotta, upgrade some stuff like faster shooting on this guy. That kind of stuff. Anyway, I'm back. This is a lot bigger than last time. I'm just now realizing this. I just gotta move some stuff back into the center of the plot because I failed putting them down. Anyway, everything's good, like regular. I'm just gonna go fight some thingies. I just gotta put down some stuff I forgot to put down before yesterday. When I was working on this. There you go. That's what I wanted. Okay, I'll fight this one. Oh, wait, let me see. Is there anything I want to advance towards? What's that? Ooh. Are they all that hard? Oh, no. There's a helicopter guy there. Okay. What's that? Is that a monkey engineer? Oh, that is an engineer. I could try to get the engineer. Try, but inevitably fail. So let me try, but inevitably fail. Okay, I think I got the rest of this level. Let me turn on the TV because I left it on again. Because I'm dumb and I keep forgetting to turn it off. I should be fine now, right? This guy's helping so much. Actually, he kind of is helping. Oops. Don't mind me. I'm just choking on an M&M. Oh my god. Snake monkey gotta hide in the bushes. It's like everyone. Just trying to unscrew my water bottle. I'm not being really loud. Okay, the water bottle's finished. I'm trying to see which upgrades I have on everybody because I forget. Get wrecked. Still choking on the M&M from earlier. Oops.
Welcome to Lucktastic, where you can win real cash and real prizes by playing Scratch.
Just an ad, don't mind me. Don't know why an ad just randomly started playing in my, video, but I don't think the game realizes I'm recording. How am I gonna do this? Can I both boats on here? Oh yeah. Okay, good. I wanted to try the boat. This isn't that bad, but I think I'm gonna die. Oh jeez. I don't think I'm gonna get it to the engineer today. It's probably not gonna go too well. Jeez. I'm only on round 4. Are you kidding? It's not going too well. Maybe it's because my first guy I put down was Boat. But other than that, I don't see any reason. Still choking on an M&M. Oh no. Sniper. No, I'll put you down. Actually, I don't think a single balloon has made it past me, so I'm doing better than I thought. Oh jeez, it's cold in here. It's cold in this room that I'm in right now. It is the frigid. I don't know why I said that, to be honest. Did I get these for free? Oh, I get one for free, but the rest costs. That's good to know. Perfect. Oh boy, that took a lot longer than I thought. Okay, I can get the engineer now, but I don't think I'm ready. I'm definitely not ready. No, in no possible way am I ready yet. Let's get some paths connecting it. And attack the engineer. Rescue truck. Okay, but how do I unlock them? Oh, okay, escape you. Okay, I'll use you to protect the other guy. Nope. That didn't work. Oh no. Well, rip my chances. That was all of the other engineers. What the heck? Hacker. I mean, if I upgrade this guy enough, I could probably, you know, do good. Maybe. That sentry is spinning hardcore. Oh, it's gone. This one's spinning hardcore now. Come on, boy. God. Oh no. Oh, that was only free for one round, really. I just got rid of all my spikes. Acceptably fiery? Oh, rip. I'm dead. I'll restart it. Supply crate, I need that. I'll escape you. I'll place you down. I don't know. How much does this sentry? Okay, escape you. Put you down also. And then get you sentry gun abilities. Okay, I have 2 engineers this time. So that's better than the last time. So what, now I have a maximum of 6 sentries at a time-ish? So at round 5, they start sending out medals. Which means I have to put down something that can destroy metal. I'm not sure if the Monkey Apprentice can destroy metal in this game. I don't remember. Oh, dang it. I gotta try though. Why did my phone vibrate? Oh, it's antivirus. Okay, nice. Thanks. I probably have like to delete my call, whatever it is. Call logs. Bruh. Yeah. No, I don't want to stop. What is that? I don't even know what that is. That's weird. Please tell me the Monkey Apprentice can destroy the thingy-majiggers. Oh, it can. Sick. Fast engineering. Oh, come on. I got this right now, boy. You're getting wrecked, level. You're failing so hard at trying to beat me. I don't know why I have to sing to this. Wait, I have to keep it slow so I can see when the things come in. I don't know. I don't think you can hit it yet. Oh no. No, I have to get this upgrade right here. Uh-oh. I'm not gonna get enough this round to get the upgrade, am I? What happened to my spikes? I'm really waiting for this, like... this has to be perfect. Oh no. Hope there's no more, because otherwise I'm gonna get wrecked. At least not in this round. Please. Oh, I bet you the sniper can hit camo balloons. Oh, the ninja can too. I'm such a dumbo. Why did I just put down a ninja? Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna save up for a ninja. You can get a ninja. There we go. You're gonna go back here. You're gonna clean up the remaining guys that are coming in. Like that. Wow, okay. Really? I'm gonna get another ninja monkey to go next to him. Yeah, I'm gonna get another ninja monkey to go next to him. I'm not sick. I'm choking on an M&M, and that's a legit story. Anyway, no, the ninjas aren't doing it correctly. Oh, I have 1,000. What the heck am I doing? Larger service area. Oh no. No! Continue. Okay. I can't, like, lose it once I'm so far in. Seriously. My God, they're coming in so fast. Yeesh. I'm running out of troops to place down. This is hard, actually. Really, really hard. Just 2 more rounds, come on. Come on. And that's pretty much it. I'm out of troops to place. This tech shooter's completely useless. That's all my troops. Oh wait, I can still upgrade these guys. Forgot about that. Oh jeez. Come on. If I have to, I'm gonna spend 10 thingamajigger stones on Fury, whatever it's called. No! Come on, they're gonna wreck this last round because I did that. I'm gonna put it in slow-mo because I really don't want to lose. Oh! I won! I won! I won! Oh yeah, boy. What? I don't even know what that does. I still don't know what you're doing.
Welcome to Lucktastic, where you can
Anyway, I'm back. Stupid ads. I found Engineer Workshop. Sadly, though, I don't have any room to put him anywhere. I put one of them there. My god, my freaking throat is killing me. Let me just attack this and make some room. Maybe you guys don't want to see this box. Anyways, guys, I captured here. I'm gonna build my last figure majigger on it. Did I only unlock 2 engineer workshops because I only saved 2 engineers? I mean, I did pretty good. I got engineers. Oh my god. Neo, you look so horrified. What is it? Is it because you're looking at my phone? I'll show you in my next video what I'm doing right now. It doesn't really matter too much. Anyways, guys, I'll see you next, Tim. Bye.